Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase student engagement with Google Classroom. Complete guide step. To increase student engagement with Google Classroom, start by creating a welcoming environment. Design an inviting classroom layout with an engaging banner and clear descriptions. Utilize the stream feature to post announcements and foster communication. Encourage students to participate in discussions by asking open-ended questions. Incorporate multimedia content like videos and interactive quizzes. Utilize Google Forms to create quick polls for instant feedback. Organize assignments with clear due dates to help students manage their time. Create a routine by posting a weekly agenda that outlines expectations. Incorporate group work using the Google Classroom collaboration features. Provide consistent feedback on student work to keep them motivated. Celebrate student achievements publicly to boost morale and motivation. Encourage peer interaction by assigning group projects. Use the question feature to spark ongoing discussions. Integrate Google Meet for live sessions to enhance real-time interaction. Allow students to select topics for projects that interest them. Curate resources that cater to different learning styles. Foster a culture of inquiry by allowing students to pose questions. Use assignment comments to provide personalized support and encouragement. By implementing these strategies, you can create a more engaging and interactive experience for your students in Google Classroom. Monitor engagement regularly to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your approach based on student feedback and performance. This continual process will help maintain high levels of engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.